Open my mind for you. Don't know wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty. Wait for, wait for. Don't know wait on it tonight, I wanna get nasty.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a kitchen restock. We just left Sam's, so we got everything that we needed in bulk that we ran out of. Right now I'm going to start off by washing the dishes. After we wash the dishes, I'm going to take everything out of the refrigerator and the freezer. Get rid of some of the things that expire or that are freezing burnt, and then we're just going to reorganize everything. In this video I'm also going to be restocking my seasonings.
Some lessons I need to get rid of. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I need a mess of my mind, and I need to get free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go by. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Everybody say no one loves you again. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my walk is up on your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need. Baby, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you there. Girl, I want you there. I need each other, man. Oh, oh, oh. When we met, I walk away. Oh, 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 oh. Let it go, I know you pray. Oh, oh, yeah.
Guys, I don't know what was going on, but baby, this cumin was so thick that it would not fit through my funnel. Like, I literally had to force it through, and then I was like, you know what, screw this, I'm about to just pour it in there the old-fashioned way. So I did it over the sink. all the seasonings were fine, but baby, that cumin wasn't nothing to play with.
Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it take it on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. I quit they all to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave.
Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Cause you serve me on a regular. We need to tie this rope. Before we drift any deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to rock change positions. Stroke it, baby. Stroke it for me. Ooh, baby, I love your stroke. Cause you give me where I'm going. Show you get my vote. Cause I believe you know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can coast. Let's go. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow.